Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we will fix some issues in Convert Plus plugin. This is Convert Plus plugin. Click on model pop-up. We are using this plugin here as you see on screen. Model pop-up on this website. Basically we are facing issue that when we try to change text or any button text here and click on save changes, then changes are not updated on website or in model pop-up plugin. Now this is model designer and go to this pop-up that we are using on this page or website. This is opening now. Now model designer is open and you can edit it, like add any text here. I added one here and now click on save. You see not any option show. Now I rename it, like add one here and now click on save. You see option show setting save and now I refresh the page to check. So we will see that our setting is saved or not. After refreshing the page, you see here I added one, but now one is not show, but in name section one is show. So it show changing in left side is saved, but changing in right side is not saved. So we are facing this issue. I tried multiple option. I clear cache, I deactivate all plugins and activate by one to check the conflict, but this problem not solved. I tried multiple solution for to fix this issue, but I find only one issue now to fix this problem, and that solution is to downgrade your WordPress version and then make update in model designer, and after make changes then again update your WordPress version. This is only solution I find now. Now we will apply that solution. Now go to plugin and click on add new. Add plugin section are open and now here write WP downgrade. You see WP downgrade specific core version plugin. Click on install. Now we will downgrade WordPress version and then make changes here, and after changes done then we will update WordPress version again. This is the only solution I find now for this problem. This is basically debug and conflict with WordPress version with this plugin. Now activate it. Plugin is activated and now go to setting and click on WP downgrade. We will downgrade the WordPress version like here 5.0. We will click on save changes. You can write any WordPress target version. You can find exact version number from here, from WP release page. This is our release version number here. You can select any and write here and then click on save changes. Basically we are downgrade WordPress version. Now settings are saved and now go to dashboard update. Our current version is 5.6 and you have later version of WordPress. If you need to reinstall version 5.0 you can do so here. Now click on reinstall. Now we are installing 5.0 version, and after this we can make changes here and then again we go back to latest version, because this Convert Plus plugin is conflict with 5.6 version of WordPress. WordPress 5.0 is installed. Now go to model pop-up designer page and refresh it. Now we will make edit in model and then we will make save change. After this we will again update the WordPress version. Now You can see we can add one here, and now click on save changes. Now refresh again, and you see this one is still there. Now processing taking time. Now you see one is still there, and now again refresh this page to check and make sure. Now you see our changes is saved and show on website screen. You see we added one at the end, and now one is shown on pop-up. Now go back to website and go to plugin, and now we will back update the WordPress version. First we will deactivate the WP downgrade plugin. Now click on deactivate, and then we will update the WordPress version again. Now plugin is deactivated, and go to please update now, and click on update now. Through this process we will make changes in Convert Plus plugin. Otherwise there are many issues. I tried multiple solutions to update our model design, but changes are not safe due to conflict between this Convert Plus plugin and WordPress 5.6 version. Now WordPress 5.6 version is installed, and I hope Convert Plus plugin author will solve this issue in future update. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.